Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue right triangle ABC fully confined in a circle with the center O, as you can see in this diagram, such that the area of this right triangle is 270 centimeter square and its side length BC is 15 centimeter. And now our task is to calculate the area of this circle. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our action plan. Before we calculate the area of this circle, we must find the radius of this circle. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this blue triangle ABC. We know it's this side length BC is 15. Now we are going to calculate this side length AB. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half times base times height. And in our case, our area is 270. Our height h is 15. And now we are going to find out our base B. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. Our area is 270 equals to a half times our base is B times our height h is 15. So therefore we can write this thing as 270 equal to 15 divided by 2 times B. Now let's go ahead and multiply by the reciprocal of 15 divided by 2, which is same as 2 divided by 15. And I'm going to multiply on this side 2 divided by 15 as well. And here these cancel out. So therefore our B value turns out to be, if we simplify the left hand side, that is going to give us 36 centimeter. So thus our this AB length turns out to be 36 centimeter. And here's our next step. I have extended this line AB all the way to this point D. And as a result, we got this AD as the diameter of this circle with the center O. And in this next step, I have connected this point C with this point D. And now let's recall the Thales theorem. According to this theorem, if A, B, and D are three distinct points on a circle where the line AD is the diameter, then the angle ACD is a right angle. As you can see in this given diagram, A, C, and D are our distinct point on the very same circle, and AD is our diameter. So no wonder our this angle ACD is going to be 90-degree angle. And now in this next step, let's assume that alpha and beta are our two complementary angles. In other words, sum of these angles alpha plus beta must be equal to 90 degrees. Now let's assume that this angle in this blue triangle is alpha. We know this is our 90-degree angle. So therefore this angle is going to be our angle beta. And now we can see that this whole angle is 90 degrees. This angle is beta. So therefore this angle has got to be our angle alpha. And finally in this triangle DBC, this angle is 90 degrees. This angle is alpha. So therefore this angle has got to be our angle beta. And now we can see that this triangle CBD is similar to this blue triangle ABC according to angle similarity theorem. And here's our next step. Let's assume that this line segment BD is x centimeter. And since these two triangles are similar, so therefore we are going to have a proportion. So therefore we're going to have a ratio of this side length x and 15 equal to the ratio of this 15 and 36. So therefore, let me go ahead and write down x divided by 15 equals to the ratio of 15 divided by 36. And now we can see that 15 divided by 36 could be reduced to 5 divided by 12. So therefore we can write x divided by 15 equals to 5 divided by 12. Now let's go ahead and multiply both sides by 15 to isolate x. And now we can see that this 15 and 15 is gone. So therefore our x value turns out to be 75 divided by 12 centimeter. So therefore our this x value turns out to be 75 divided by 12. And now in this next step, let's make an observation. We can see that this diameter AD is going to be equal to this side length AB, which is 36, plus this side length x. So therefore our diameter AD is going to be equal to, let me go ahead and fill in the blanks, 36 plus 75 divided by 12. And now in this next step, I have multiplied this 36 by 12 and divided by 12 as well to get this common denominator 12. So as a result, we got 432 divided by 12 plus 75 divided by 12. And if we add these numbers on the top, we got 507 divided by 12. So therefore our diameter AD turns out to be 507 divided by 12. So therefore the radius r, lowercase r, of this circle is going to be half of this diameter. So we are going to divide this fraction by 2. So therefore our radius lowercase r is going to become 507 divided by 24 centimeter. And here's our final step. Let's go ahead and calculate the area of this circle. And now let's recall the area of a circle formula. Area equals to pi r square, where r in our case the radius is 507 divided by 24. So therefore the area of this circle is going to be equal to, let me go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So pi times r in our case is 507 divided by 24 whole square. And if we take care of this square of this fraction, this turns out to be 257,049 divided by 576 times pi centimeter square. And if we simplify everything, this is approximately equal to 1402 centimeter square. So thus the area of this circle turns out to be 1402 centimeters square. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.